Hello, Matt Mobytubehd. Merry Christmas. I got this Nintendo Switch and today we're gonna unbox it. So you look in the back and then you see it and then you open it up. And then that's how you open it. You open and then here's the left Joy-Con, the right Joy-Con in the console, and here's the Joy-Con. You get it out of the bag. I know exactly how to easy to get out. The blue one and this red one. Then the Joy-Con on red and blue. And this is what it looks like. And then you use it, and then here's the console. I'm wondering how I get it out. But I'm just gonna leave it in there for anyway. And on the bottom you get some important, you get these Joy-Con straps. That's the Joy-Con straps. And then you slide it onto it like that, and then you hold on to it, and then here's the cables, and here's the charger, and then here's the grip. This is the grip where you put it on like and then it goes like. I'm wondering how I get it out. So I think you press this button. You press this button, and then it's like directly out. Those buttons, small tiny buttons, and down here is the jaw. So let's be very careful since you put. This is where you open it, and then. If you want me to do another unboxing video or another challenge, please leave me know in the comments down below. Don't forget, please like and subscribe. Please hit the notification.